Hello, friends. How are you? I'm very happy to see you. Hello, good morning. It is a beautiful morning. It is Monday. It is April. The flowers are going to be growing soon. I see beautiful leaves on trees, and I can hear the birds chirp, chirp, chirping. I had to put my puppies upstairs because they hear the birds chirping and they want to say hello out the window, and it is really loud. What are you going to do now that the weather is nice? I want to know. Can I tell you what we did yesterday because the weather was nice? My daughter, Olivia, is almost 10 years old, and for her birthday, we got her a bike. So yesterday, we were outside riding the bike. It's a new bike, so she had to practice. And do you think she got it right away? That's right. No, it takes a lot of practice. Sometimes we feel a little frustrated when it takes a while, but that's okay. We'll get there. Okay, are you ready to talk about dun 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 PreK objectives? Dun 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 dun. When I get out my PreK objectives board, I like to point to each word so that I know that in a sentence there are several words. The letter of the week is... Let's count how many words were in that sentence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There were 6 words in the sentence. The letter of the week is... Start paying attention when you read stories. How many words are on the page? Because words are powerful and we read words. Okay, let's get back to PreK objectives. The letter of the week is... What do you think? What do you think the letter's going to be? I think some of you are right. The letter of the week is Y. Y says ya. Y says ya. Every letter makes a sound. Y says ya. My favorite Y word is yo-yo, but I also really like yogurt. Do you see how the Y's look the same and different? Capital Y, lowercase y. When we're writing the Y's, it's helpful that they look similar, but they do look a little different. We'll talk about that later. Ooh, this is exciting. This has been a whole year coming. We have been talking about numbers and numbers and numbers and numbers, and now we're in spring and we have a new number today, and it is a whoop-dinger. The number of the week is... Oh, I gotta put my board down to write it. I wonder if you know what it's gonna be. The number of the week is 20. Can you say 20? Yes, 20. Oh my goodness, we have been waiting for the number 20. We count to 20 all the time. And now it's our number of the week. Now to make sure I really know how to count to 20, I am going to draw 20 stars. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm stopping right there, but did I get to 20? Not yet. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Da-da-da! That is a lot of stars. I drew 20 stars. You can draw 20 of anything. 20 dots, 20 smiley faces, 20 flowers. What would you like to draw 20 of? I drew my stars a certain way because I want to put my stars in 10-frame boxes. We've been talking about 10 frames. You will talk about those in kindergarten. So I am going to take my marker and I am going to put these stars in a 10-frame box. Thanks for being patient with me while I draw. See, I have 2 10-frame boxes and they are all filled up. The first one has 10, the second one has 10, and I can count by tens. 10, 20. I have 20 stars in my 2 10-frame boxes. Woohoo! So excited! All right, let's move on. The shape of the week. The shape of the week is a square. I like squares for lots of reasons. Squares have 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. What I like about squares is that every single side of the square is the same size. Sometimes it's easy to confuse a rectangle and a square, but can you see the difference? What's different about the rectangle and the square? What's different? The rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 shorter sides, but the square has sides that are all the same. I like that they are all the same. When you look around your room right now that you're in, you might be in the kitchen or the family room or your bedroom. I don't know where you are, but I guarantee you there's at least one square. When I look around the room I'm in my basement. That's where my classroom is. I'm looking just around my desk that I'm teaching at, and I can see one square. My friend gave me this box with the candle in it. And if I look at the top of the box, it is a square. But what is that in the middle? Yes, that's a beautiful heart. Can you see a square in the room that you are in? Look around. I just heard somebody say, Miss Perez, you have a square on your wall. I do have a square on my wall. This map is a rectangle because the sides are not all the same. But my sign that says my name is a square. 4 equal sides. Exciting! Okay, friends, I'm about to say goodbye to this video, but in the next video, we are going to talk about writing letters. We are going to talk about sight words, and we are going to talk about parts of a book. Tune in to the next video. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. I'll see you next time. Goodbye. See you soon.